Indian forces in their continued acts of state terrorism have killed 140 innocent Kashmiris during the period of January to June this year in the illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to a report prepared by Kashmir Media Service in collaboration with All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter, Indian troops continuing their gross human rights violations and crimes against humanity, also injured 104 and arrested over 854 youth during so-called cordon and search operations in the territory during the same period. Most of these 150 detainees are Hurriyat leaders, activists, youth and students who have been slapped with draconian laws, Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. A large number of Hurriyat leaders and activists from occupied Jammu and Kashmir have already been languishing in India's infamous Tihar jail at New Delhi for the past many years.